Hello, and I hope you're doing well. Guess who's back? I'm Navid, and this is Hyperpix. And as usual, I'm back with another text effect um, from our movies collection. And in this video, I'm going to how to apply our text and logo to Morbius movie text style. And you're gonna use this in no time. This has been designed as closely as possible to the original logo, and we can use this anytime we want in less than a couple of minutes. So I'm going to show you how it's done. Okay, it's very easy to use. We're going to see this, and this template is applicable to any language possible. For example, so if you want to download this, all you got to do is go to hyperpix.net and get access to hundreds of other text effects only with a premium account and use this in any project. So to edit this main text, right click on the yellow layer and select edit content. Now in this window, all you gotta do is double click on the text layer. As you can see here, the first layer is bigger than the other text sizes, so it's just to be as identical as possible to the original design, but you can change it. But I'm gonna keep the design and I'm gonna go with Hyperpix. There it is. Good. Double click on the FX icon, and from the pattern overlay click on the empty space and change the pattern's position. I recommend just put it on the middle. There it is. Close it and select yes. There it is. As you can see here, we got our text style here, which is as identical as possible to the movie. Okay, from the FX, disable extrusion so we can have our 3D disabled so we can have more speed. Okay, smoke, as you can see, is the layer of smoke down there that you can enable it or disable it. Next one, we got a text layer here that we can change it and type whatever we want. Okay, and we can change the font, layer spacing, everything is adjustable. Okay, FX is all our technical parts of our design. I recommend you skip this one. We just disable extrusion so we have more speed. Okay, there it is. We got a high resolution design here, 3600 to 2400, I guess. Okay, let's enable the extrusion. There it is. We got our 3D design. We can have this as transparent. All we gotta do is to press Alt and click on the eye icon on the FX folder, and we'll have a transparent design. As easy as that. Okay, let me show you how you can apply this style to a logo. Okay, let's get back to right click, edit content, and this window, import your logo here. Okay, there it is, our logo. Position it on your logo. Now bring your text down. Okay, we're gonna copy this layers style with copy layer style and paste it on our logo. There it is. You can see, delete the text. Let's go to pattern overlay so that we can change the position of our pattern. Okay, there it is. Close the window and select yes. There it is. Piece of cake. We applied Morbius's text style to Netflix logo. I'm pretty sure that you think the same, that this is great and looks great. That we can download it right now on hyperpix.net and get a premium account and get access to hundreds of different other text effects that you can use in your personal and commercial projects. Please subscribe to that channel. and give this video a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.